Hello and welcome to Hotel Dilley. I'm your host Matt. Let's get you ready for a great stay. How do you find the hotel? Our address is 110 South Main Street, Dilley, Texas. We're right off the 35 highway on Main Street. You're welcome to park right in front of the hotel in these designated spots here. Please do not park in this open lot next to us. We also have a large parking lot in the back. You can even fit a big rig or two. You can access this parking lot via the side street next to us. Please don't park in this transition area between the two lots. Let's get you checked in. The code to your door is the last 4 digits of your phone number. Enter the 4 digits only to unlock. Press the bottom right button to lock. The lock will lock itself after 30 seconds. The Wi-Fi network name is hoteldilley.com, password Hotel Dilley. Inside the rooms, you'll find these guest laminates which show you where to park, how to use the TV. We'll also send you a guest app with all the essentials. The TVs come with DirecTV Premium. That's this D app up here. When you're ready to check out, please turn off the AC. For place to eat, highly recommend Mi Cabana. The refreshment barn is next door and Dollar General is right across the street. This is the original Dilley Hotel, built in 1924. Many storied guests here, such as Bonnie and Clyde. When we came across it, it was actually abandoned. We cleaned it off and restored it, made it new. Truly hope you enjoy it here. That wraps up our tour of Hotel Dilley. If you come and see us again, we can save you money by booking direct at hoteldilley.com. If you're part of a local business that needs rooms often, contact us. If you have a great stay, we'd truly appreciate it if you could write us a great review. Thanks for watching. See you soon at Hotel Dilley.